Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including social media graphics, presentation, posters, flyer, and more. It offers a variety of templates, images, and fonts to help users easily design professional looking graphics. Canva is popular among individuals, small business, and organization for its user-friendly interface and extensive design tools. One of the great features of Canva software is the PDF editor. Many times we need to edit the PDF document for correction or addition. So today I will show you how to edit PDF file very easily. Okay, first we will go to canva.com, then we will go to design spotlight, and from here we will click on PDF editor. Okay, then upload your PDF file. Click on upload. After uploading your file, from there you can add text, images, shapes, and other elements to the PDF, as well as edit existing content. After making your edits, you can download the updated PDF file by clicking the download button in top right corner of the editor. Canva provides a user-friendly interface and a variety of design tools to make editing PDF file quick and easy. So, thank you very much for watching this full video.